This is our second video of Red Hat Enterprise Linux playlist. Today we will learn some basic Linux command. Let's log in to our server. You can see here that we are logged in with the student user. In upper left side, you will find activities option. Click on that. Here you will find terminal. Let's open the terminal. Here you can see that we are logged in with the student user. If you want to know which user is currently logged in, type who am I. Here student is the current user. To change password for this user, type passwd. Changing password for user student. Current password. Type the current password here. The password won't show here. Type new password. You just type the new password and retype the new password. All authentication tokens updated successfully. Now you know how to change password for a user using terminal. The passwd command will help to achieve this. Now we want to check the time and date. Let's type date. You can see the day, Monday, the month, March, the date, the time, the time zone, and the year 2020. We want to see the date only. Type date space plus \x. It will show only the date. Again type date space plus \r. It will show only time in 12-hour format. Let's recap again. Here we learn about who am I. That shows the current logged in username. Passwd to change the current user password. Date to see the day, month, date, time, time zone, and year. Date space plus \x to see the date only. Date space plus \r to see the time in 12-hour format. If you type history, you can see the command list history. All the command that we have used in terminal that is shown here. Dear learners, in this video we have seen some basic Linux commands that will help you to understand the usage of the terminal in Linux operating system. Thank you for being with us. Let's see you in the next video.